good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alipearl Hair, and I'm here today with another today I'm going to be installing this 5x5 closure wig from Alipearl Hair. The wig came pre-colored, this blonde brassy color. I don't know how I feel about the color. You gonna hear me say that a couple times throughout the video, but we just gonna go with it. But also, if you're a person who's scared to bleach your own hair, this will be the perfect wig to go with, and then you can just add your color to it. Like I said, it is a 5x5 closure, so the closure goes from temple to temple. And it did come pre-layered. I just layered it a little bit more. But before I get into the video, just want to show y'all what came with the wig. We got our little wig baggie, we got a wig cap, we got an edge band, baby hair brush, wig melter, and some lashes. The wig itself is 18 inches, so it is going right above my boobs, and it is 180 density. So if you guys are interested in this install, stay tuned and keep watching. All right, so I have my, if you guys can hear my fan, I'm sorry, it's like hot as heck. I have my Bomb Collection Sweet Caramel Foam. And honestly, I'm gonna just put it dead in the middle. And I'll put some on the side too. I really could have just put it through the part, but we're here now, so whatever. And it's really just to mask it a little bit. It's not going to color my hair in any way. Put it on. I'm going to take my EBN Wonder Lace Bond, and I'm going to spray it on the edge of the lace. And the way, like, this lace is really soft also. So honestly, if you're not a baby hair fan, this honestly would be like the perfect install to not do any baby hair. Got that on there, and I'm just gonna tie my wig band around. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and then we'll get into the rest of the install. I'm back. I don't even know if it's dry, but I'm just gonna snatch it off. And y'all can see it's already kind of melted. Low key, this is not in the middle of my head, but it's fine. And I'm gonna take my razor. Be careful, because I'm good for cutting my forehead when I'm cutting a lace off of a wig. Okay. So I'm gonna put some spritz on that in a second. Just going in with my hot comb and kind of trying to flatten everything. Very flat, very flat. I low-key want to do it without baby hairs, but it's just like not like me. I'm gonna get my Pump It Up spritz. I'm just gonna use my finger. Put it and just dab it on the edges of the lace that are kind of white a little bit. Now this is stinging just a tad in the middle, so I did not cut my forehead, but I scratched it. So that is progress, but yeah, your girl definitely do be giving my forehead a little slice. And I'm gonna tie it back up with my edge scarf. Let that set for a couple more minutes. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. I'm gonna come back probably like in like 3 minutes because it really don't take that long, and then we'll get into the next step. All right, so I'm back. Gonna just rip it off like that. Ooh, I know that's right. I know y'all see it. Very melted. It's doing what it needs to be done. We are gonna fix these edges and then finish styling. So I'm gonna curl these just a little bit. And I'm gonna cut it. I kind of just cut it like right at my eyebrows. Now I have my Nairobi foam, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just give a little swoop action. Just a little bit. I always try to let the little comb be great, but sometimes it just don't do what I need it to do. So just on the little slate, nothing crazy. Definitely feeling this side way more, but it's all good. Now that the baby hairs are done, you can go back and kind of like brush the middle part back down. It actually looks really good. I'm kind of liking it. It looks super natural, so I think a lot has to do with the layers. Let me draw out a little bit because now I'm going to, it already has layers in it. I already said that in the beginning, but I feel like I curled it yesterday and I put my fan on in this room and the curls completely dropped. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more layers so that you can see them a little bit more, just a little bit. Spray a little bit of hairspray. Maybe that'll keep the layers a little bit longer. Or keep the curls. I just want a little bone. What am I doing wrong? That's on his butt. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. This is Alipearl's. I think it's 1BT28 wig. It already comes, like I said, super layered, but I just wanted the layers a little bit shorter at the top, so or at the front. Overall, I think it came out pretty cute. So my curls are dropping a little bit, but like I said, overall pretty cute. Still don't know how I feel about the color, but I do like how the layers are like kind of like semi firm in my face now that I added a little bit more. But like I said, the curls are dropping a little bit. The hair itself is a pretty thick for 180 density, but for all the hair specs and information, make sure you guys check the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed another quick install. Closures really might be my new thing, but just stay tuned for the next one. Love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.